Today I will discuss to you kinematics. Kinematics is a branch of physics that studies the motion of objects without considering the forces that cause the motion. It focuses on describing how an object moves using measurable quantities such as distance, displacement, speed, velocity, and acceleration, and time. Distance is the total length of the path traveled by the object, while displacement is a straight line distance from the starting point to the ending point, including direction. Speed refers to how fast an object moves, but velocity includes both speed and direction. Acceleration describes how the velocity of an object changes over time, whether by speeding up, slowing down, or changing direction. In kinematics, motion is often analyzed using the equations of motion, which are applied when acceleration is constant. These equations help us calculate unknown values such as time, final velocity, or displacement. Graphs such as distance, time, and velocity time graphs are also used to better understand motion. Kinematics plays an important role in everyday life. It helps explain the motion of vehicles, falling objects, and even the movement of athletes in sports. It also serves as a foundation for other branches of physics, such as dynamics and mechanics. In conclusion, kinematics allows us to describe and predict motion accurately, making it a fundamental concept in physics.
Good day everyone. Today I will explain the topic force and motion. Let us start in motion. Motion is changing position of one object with respect to time. When the object moves from one place to another, we say it in motion. For example, a moving car, a rolling ball, or a walking person are examples of motion. Let's talk about force. Force is a pull or push that can change motion of an object. We use force if we pull the chair, push the door, and kick a ball. And also I will explain the topic heat and temperature. Although heat and temperature are often used interchangeably in daily life, they have different meaning in science. Temperature is measured how to hot or cold an object. It related to the average kinetic energy of the particle substance. The faster a particle move, the higher the temperature. Temperature is commonly measured in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. On the other hand, heat is form of energy transfer. Heat flows from a body with higher temperature to a body with a lower temperature. Unlike temperature, heat depends on the amount of substance present. The SI unit energy of is the joule. Heat can be transferred in the three main ways: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction occurs when heat moves through direct, such as metal spoon becomes hot cup of coffee. Convection happens in fluid, liquid, and gases. Radiation is the transfer of heat, electromagnetic waves, such as heat we feel from the sun.
Next, we move on to equilibrium. Equilibrium refers to a state in which an object is at rest or moving with constant velocity because all of the forces acting on it are balanced. This means the net force is zero. There are two main types of equilibrium: static equilibrium, where the object is at rest, and dynamic equilibrium, where the object moves at constant velocity. For example, a book resting on the table is in static equilibrium, while a car moving at steady speed on a straight road is in dynamic equilibrium.